Good morning, FMA families. It's Saturday morning. I know it's going to rain all day today, but when I let the dog out this morning, I could really hear the creek in the backyard. With all the rain we had yesterday and with what we're going to get today, I thought I'd come check out to show you what it looks like, how fast moving the water is and how turbid it is. So I'm sure you can hear it, hopefully my voice too, but here's a good look at what the creek looks like now after all this rain. I'm going to put my umbrella down because it's really hard to get through all these trees. And I don't mind walking in the rain as long as there's no thunder or lightning and it's warm. It's actually quite exciting taking a hike in the forest while it's raining. Alright, so I'm going to get up close to where we were the other day and look at this. Alright, well thanks for hiking with me to see what it was going to look like after rain in the creek in my backyard. And hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Stay curious, stay healthy.